Sorry, 1 second.
Yeah. Oh. Oh. Is that so?
Well, my little birdie says somebody's been a naughty crocheter, and now you're in summer school with me, with our friends over at yarnspirations.com, as well as myself, Mikey, here from the Crochet Crowd. So summer school doesn't have to be all serious, right? So we're going to be having a lot of playful names when it comes to each week of the 8 weeks in this program. You're going to notice that we're going to be doing a study of something throughout each week. Now, I've kind of playfully named them because it's kind of like an innuendo of what you're going to learn. For example, week number 1, it's the study of old town squares. Wonder what we're going to be doing with that, right? We may hit a few speed bumps along the way as we make our way around the town square. We're going to continue like that throughout the summer, and in actual fact, we're going to have a movie night at some point during the summer just to give you the break that you need. And by the last week, you'll have the final exam, which in your case will be the border. We're going to be having a lot of fun, and if you know how to follow a video tutorial and read written instructions, you can have a lot of fun with this idea. You're going to require some counting. This will challenge some of you for sure, and others it may be just a walk in the park. I've never designed anything as complex as this, but together with you, going week by week, we can do this together, I promise. So as mentioned, this is a stitch along, so each week it's a bite size of the pattern. Sometimes it's big bites, sometimes it's little nibbles. You have to join me in order to figure it out. I divided up the Afghan, which made sense in order to continue the pattern. We're also going to be using 10 balls here of Bernat Pop yarn, just like you see. Now Bernat Pop has come out with some brand new colors that you'll see, and if you look at the tops, you'll kind of get a glimpse of what your Afghans are going to look like in the end. For this particular tutorial on camera, I'm going to be using blue chambray, but of course you can use any colors that you wish. Now it's an amazing idea because the new colors of Bernat Pop, I love them, and I think that you're going to as well. You can also sign up with our friends at yarnspirations.com in order to follow the stitch along to the end. So if you're forgetting about the stitch along, they can send you an email with the updated pattern in order to work it, and together with all of the 8 weeks, you'll have an amazing Afghan by the very end. So my friends of the Crochet Crowd, as well as my friends over at yarnspirations.com, you can sign up or enroll in your summer school education with us so that we can send you those free patterns. Also, now is your time. You just need 10 balls of Bernat Pop. You can get that over at yarnspirations.com in order to fulfill your needs. Take a look at the entire selection, and you might also find it in a retailer near you. So now it's up to you. Grab your yarn, and I'll see you on week number 1, where we do the study of old town squares. What does that mean? I don't know. You'll have to find out in week number 1. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.